Hello friends! Today I've brought you a recipe that is creamy, dreamy and absolutely irresistible. Garlic mashed potatoes. A side dish so delicious it will make your steak, chicken or fish taste even better. Let's get started! First, take about 1.5 kilos of potatoes. Peel them and cut them into chunks. Now boil them in salted water until they're perfectly tender, soft enough for your fork to glide right through, about 15 to 20 minutes. Once boiled, drain the water and return those hot potatoes back to the pot. Now comes the magic part. Mash them while they're still hot. Add in 6 tablespoons of butter and roasted, fragrant garlic. Mix it all until silky smooth. Next, slowly pour in 1 cup of warm cream or milk and keep mashing until your potatoes turn into a fluffy, creamy perfection. Finally, season with just the right amount of salt and pepper and you're done. Friends, this garlic mashed potato is not just a side dish, it's comfort in a bowl. Serve it warm with steak, chicken or fish and watch everyone fall in love with every bite. So what are you waiting for? Try this healthy, hearty side dish at home today. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share because more delicious recipes are coming your way. See you in the next video.